So I am currently riding inside of the SVX that we are bringing to the shop. I'm in an enclosed trailer because we could only open the door about like 3 inches. So I was like, I'll just take the 10-minute ride and just stay in here until we get back to the shop. So that way we can go ahead, pull the motor, throw it in Mike's car, and start on the swap for you guys. But yeah, it's pretty dark in here. As you can see, it's pitch black other than that little doorway there, and using my phone flashlight so you guys can see me in here. But yep, just chilling in the car. You know, guys just locked me up and left me in here. But getting the car back to the shop, and we'll start pulling the motor. So still in the trailer. We just stopped, so have a feeling maybe they'll come get me, or they're taking lunch and leaving me in here. But I do hear the door, so that's a good sign. And we've got light. Hell yeah. Let me out! Cool. We're gonna get this unloaded and we'll push it into the shop and do a little more video for you.